How to fix WhatsApp web is not working on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome, log into your account, and you'll find three lines on top right corner of your screen. Click on three dots on top right and scroll all the way down till you find Settings. On left side, you'll find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. In here, you'll find third-party cookies. Click on third-party cookies and make sure you block third-party cookies. After there is blue mark on block third-party cookies, simply go back in Privacy and Security. Go to Delete Browsing Data, click on it, and you can change time range. You can keep all time if you want, or simply choose last hour or last 24 hour and click on delete data. After that, you can simply open a new tab, search WhatsApp login, and then try logging in with your ID. This is how to fix WhatsApp web not working on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off.